I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. See, yeah, we used to be a team, running the streets, yeah, we was living out our dream. Oh, you used to be my brother, I was your provider, and now we separated in two. Oh, and baby, you left and sailed away alone. Trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, I don't want it, no, I don't want it, no, I don't want to walk this.
It's right there. We'll find. Happy birthday! Yeah!
Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro.
Fuck BMW, fuck Honda, fuck everybody. Lexus all the way, bro. Fuck. You wanna hear this? RCF?
My car's beat, Brian.
It's a butt laser for butt the camera.
Hey, we're just on some humble shit, you know what I mean? We don't want to break the bank. This car is really cheap and it's pretty ass. It's misfiring, as you can hear. But we, okay, I'm done.
You just don't want it once they hit, but they're giving up on love.
Shout out to Sam for cleaning my whip. I honestly wasn't gonna get it detailed, but he said just bring him a burger and repost it on his story. So hit him up, guys. SV Auto Shine. I'm gonna put it right here. Did a good job. This is probably the cleanest my car has been for like ever, to be honest. Paint is glistening. That car been hidden.
Mother on that beat. Oh.
I just got here right now. Bro, I look in my rearview mirror and then I seen the OC homies right behind me. Looking like Skittles out here, bro. About to go jet skiing, let's go. Got a lychee alcohol drink. Why you lying to me? Damn, whole gang is here, bro. Yo. Oh, that's it. Oh, you have? What's good? What you sipping on, gang?
Enchilada.
Oh. Que lo que, fool? Where we at? We at Ski Beach with it. Got the whole gang here. Happy Sunday. Shout out God. You know what I mean? We got Uncle Ruco grilling the carne asada right here. Yeah. Órale. Got Max's AP1?
AP1.
Wheel. Bro, matching CE28s with the dogfight wheel, bro.
Yeah, that shit's tough, bro.
Yo, with the Recaro, fire.
But it's just empty and I hate it.
That's all good.
Fire, bro. Blue
So I got-
Alcantara suede matching with the wheels.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I gotta lay that carpet down like you did. In the
Yeah,
back.
bro. It's
But
super easy.
I wanna
Seat
lay
is
sound
sick.
deadening too.
Yeah, so it's not as loud.
Got a
Yeah, exactly.
Recaro. Fire. It's a race car. 9Ks. What exhaust is that?
It's total.
I like this. This is fire.
Authentic, by the way.
This is fire, bro. Sick build.
That's just like $2,000. They're like
Shoot.
25.
You got Lawrence. On Regas. Matching with the homie Jordan. Bro got the ASM interior.
What that time?
What up, Lit Ranch? Bro got all the swag, bro.
All the moon ass shit. I'm surprised you don't got spoon wiper blades.
Oh! Go, hit it!
Jesus!
Oh! That was a good rally.
That was a good one.
Just picked up my girlfriend. We're about to eat some poke. What? Parang galit ka talaga yun. Got poke, etc. Spicy mayo salmon. Look, she hungry already. She getting to it. Got some seaweed, and then we got spicy garlic tuna. Pulled up to Anthony's house for his birthday. Car me on the driveway.
We didn't start grilling yet, but we'll grill in a little bit.
I'm surprised this motherfucker drove his car.
Okay?
Yeah. Bro, what are you doing in this car? What are you doing in this car? This is be race car driver. Happy birthday, motherfucker! Ah!
Let's go.
Alright. Stand up.
This is precious.
Hey, give Mark some. Hey, give Mark a shot. You have one, Mahela?
Hey, cheers to not being a teenager no more. Alright, 3, 2, 1, cheers!
Oh, he throwing that shit.
You got some on your ear, bro. Damn. Playing blackjack with the gang.
Damn, take a shit.
20.
Yo,
where my?
oh, he's aura farming.
He's our.
I'll play that once. A young, black and rich, bro. Play that song, bro. Play that
Who he
song.
feeling like?
Alright, pause the music or no?
Bro's aura for me. Hey, put the Google eyes on, gang.
Hey, the moon eyes. Turn the moon eyes. Alright, ready? Wait, Ethan left. Wait for motivational speech. For the vlog, what you gotta say to the vlog?
You guys, never give up on your dreams, you know? You know, just look around. You gotta appreciate the things you got in life, you know? Come on, man.
Hey, Messi South Francis.
You all big!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you. Hey, suck it. Yeah.
He's driving to Seaside now.
Yes, sir. I don't want to scare nobody.
All y'all want to just see the ABGs, bro.
Whoa. They're just all B's.
I know y'all scheming, bro.
They're just all B's.
Back it up.
Okay.
All this just to go to Seaside. All the cars lining up. Got an FC on some Regas. It's fire. You don't really see these too often. The braids. Where's his steering wheel at, bruh? Yeah.
Hey! Do it again!
I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna fuck. You know, the diamonds POV, they be doing sign language. I'm down with your friends and the foes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, wrap my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can meet me at the banquet. Just run up by your wallet, dog. I'm 10, that's the basis. You wanna tell a lie, can't tell the truth, cause you can't face it. I wanna take you out, little baby, let me taste it. I wanna take you out, little baby, let me side by side, going up with your best friend. We be ducking up, we be at the West End. I was at the altar for my dog, I'm my best man. Me and Shotty crushing in the back on a webcam. What? I got my juice, I got my gun in here. What? Better you get loose, I have some fun in here. What? Yeah, I ain't stupid, I got my gun in here. What? Better you get loose, I have some fun in here. I run them bands up, I make it bust. I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. You know, the diamonds POV, they be doing sign language. I'm down with your friends.
I'm deaf on my left ear,
Bro,
I'm deaf on my left ear.
Yo. He really peeing. Right here, in front of everybody.
Chill. Oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Bro, under the pier, bro.
That's where I'm going. That's what we're doing. We're going straight under the pier.
Negative aura. Bro's trying to aura farm. Negative aura, bro. Ciao, what's up?
I don't want to start this. Someone needs to warm it up, and then I'll come in.
Wait, what are you doing?
We're gonna run the
Meanest
best
two man?
two-man.
Okay, meanest two man. All right,
century, bro.
All right,
And I have a girlfriend, by the way. It's just
Don't say that.
blur it out.
You hear this?
I gotta go, bro, but someone started, then I'll go.
Help.
Guys. See, look.
Oh, you got the wide lens?
Yeah.
Is that the 8 mil?
It's fire now. Look.
Is that the 8 mil?
I did
Even
not
if you're
see
this
them when we
close-
was coming in.
Was this the 8 to 16?
It's 11 millimeter.
Oh, 11? This is the 11.
Bro,
So- oh, you got the ZV-10?
Yeah. For the rollers, it's like.
You do
hella
not know what the
fire.
fuck that is. I'm gonna get that shit.
You okay?
Or the
Fresh kicks.
FX3.
Oh no, that's like 3 bands.
Body-
Oh, literally,
yeah, body alone
this is
is
how
good.
rollers.
This is
like
how
it
Jin
gets
records.
the whole car.
Guys.
Yeah, he does
Right?
do that. Yeah.
Guys. He just said the N-word.
Bro's aura farming. Bro's aura farming.
They were just fucking.
How does he
They're
order?
under the bridge, bro. There's no way.
Bro,
He just knows. The cops right there, son. He just knows where to stand.
We're not gonna pass. We're going to back.
No, I was making a joke about them fucking on the beach.
Yo, it's just Chewy. Thank you for the 5 gifted.
I swear. Swear, bro.
Prove it.
On BDs.
Prove it.
What's your name?
Duke.
What you gotta say to the 10K?
Your name is not Duke.
Shout out to my boy. What's your name, bro?
Roberto Carlos.
Roberto Carlos. You gotta do what
I got a
What's
question
your real
for you, though,
name?
for the vlog, though.
That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, ask me.
Ask him one question. Ask him one question for the vlog.
Come here, come here.
Everyone asks
So,
questions.
is it gay?
It is.
I haven't finished.
Are you asking if he's gay?
No, for the vlog. For the vlog.
Question.
Are you gonna touch me too? Everyone touch me. Come.
For $1 million. That's all I like.
Gay.
Fuck your mom or suck your daddy's dick.
Which one you choosing, bro? Which one you choosing, bro?
First off,
Nah, you suck your mom.
Back to gender studies.
that question fucked up because I'm not gonna answer that. Next question.
Different question.
So, what's like the powerhouse of the cell?
Ooh.
Gender studies right there, bro.
Adams. Shut your dumb ass up, right?
Mitochondria.
Yeah, it is.
Spell it.
MITOCHONDRIA.
cut. See you in the next episode.
Oh wait, I didn't turn it off.
Life spools on.
It's kinda hard to leave the streets alone. And if I make it, then we made it, I can't get along. And I keep stressing, said this shit ain't close to being home. It's for my family, if you ask, you know I do this for.